honesty, ain't another brother that's hotter than me. In all honesty, ain't another brother that's hotter than me.
I rap like no one out there can fuck with me.
I ghost write for cats, pulling old scripts about the trash on some hip-hop shit. My attitude's fuck rap, and to prove that, I'll drop a cameo at your show, swing the mic cord and wipe out the whole front row, and go backstage, talk to your fans, shake their hands, sign autographs. Got your whole crew like, damn, where do you stand? Effects snatched up your whole dream, took over your label, turn your artists into the street team. Now go put your stickers on poles, switch the topic. They want real was way too hot, had to drop it, so stop it with all that hating like you really saying something. It's clear as fuck that you and your crew are all about nothing. Stop frontin', you ain't got signed, more like Jack. Probably asked if you spit.
Last call.